Starting with the turkey sausage. I have a ½ pound of ground turkey. You could use a full pound if you like, just double everything or add a bit more of everything. Let's get into this. I'm gonna start with the oregano and just add a bit, not too much, just enough. Some marjoram, I hope I'm saying that right. I think it's marjoram. I never had to say that before. So if I got it wrong, I'll try again next time. I will be using a little bit of this blackened seasoning because it does have a few things that are actually in sausage, but it's not traditional. Ground cumin is going in. A little goes a long way with this, as far as my opinion. Sea salt. Some pepper. Just a ½ of a large Serrano pepper. I want some spice. This is ground coriander. I did toast it up a bit. Just going to add a bit of that. I do have some gloves here because I will make 1 to 2 patties for tomorrow morning. But for the tacos, I want some crumbles. Turning my griddle on. And just a sprinkle of sea salt, not too much. Tortillas, I want to crisp them up a bit. Going to add my egg. Just a little sprinkle of some sea salt for this side, not too much. And a little bit more of the black pepper. Some purple onion. A bit of cilantro. These are some really, really good breakfast tacos. Try this out, toss it together, make yourself some homemade turkey sausage. You're gonna love it. And I'll see you in my next upload. A little bit of hot sauce. I did give it a bit of a test already, but I'm going to take another bite just to confirm it. Yes, it tastes like sausage.